Hi there, Poppin PJ here. Welcome to the channel. If you are looking for a quick and stylish DIY project that's super simple to do, then you're at the right place. I am going to show you how to transform a white plate and a candlestick holder into a beautiful and stylish catch-all tray, or it can be a candle holder for a larger candle. I purchased both of these items at the thrift store, so they were very inexpensive, and just wait till you see how easy it is to make this DIY project. The candlestick holder was $1.99. The white plate was 99 cents. In addition to the plate and candlestick holder, you will need some E6000. I'm going to remove the thrift sticker. Now here's the fun part. You're going to attach the candlestick holder to the center of the plate. As you can see, the brand stamp is on the middle of the plate on the back side, so we know where center is. We are going to take our E6000 glue and apply a generous amount of glue to the top of the candle holder, as we want it adhered well. We are going to place the candlestick holder right in the middle of the plate and press down firmly. Hold it for a few seconds to make sure that the glue sets. And now we just let it dry. Once it is dry, you've got yourself a unique piece. Now we've made a candle holder for a larger candle and makes a beautiful decorative piece. Or you can even use it as a stylish catch-all tray for your change, your jewelry, as you see here, or even your keys, or whatever works for you for the tray to hold. And there you go. In just a few minutes, you have a chic and functional tray or candle holder for your home.